All right, now that we have a card class written, we're ready to test it out. And so remember that the card class is just a single card. So for example, this is, if I go back over to my card class and you look at that along with this, you can see that for the constructor, each card has a suit, like in this case, it would be diamonds. It has a value. In this case, it would be 1 or possibly 14. And it has a face. In this case, the face would be A. And so each card has those things associated with it. Oops. So if I'm going to write a test program to test this thing, what I will want to do is I could set up like a card, call it C1, and just make that a new card. Remember, I had that blank constructor over here. That card would be the 0 of spades and have a face of X. Or I could set it up using an integer first and then a string. The reason I know that is because of my second constructor here. I have an integer and then a string that it can take, and that would set the suit and the value. But what I want to do here is even more exciting than that, and I hope I have time to do it. I want to create a whole array of cards. So it's just going to be a little deck. So it's going to be ace through 6, and it's going to be all the different suits. So you notice that I set up an array of strings, and I called it suit. And I gave those values because my cards have those values. It's going to be hearts, diamonds, clubs, or spades. And then what I want to do is I want to populate each element of that card list. So first I'm going to create a card array. Isn't that awesome, you guys? You can create an array of any data type. And in this case, I'm creating a card array. And I'm going to call my little deck, because it's not a full deck, it's just a little deck. And I'm going to say that is a new card array with 24 cards in it. 1 through 6, hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades. If you want to see how I populate that thing with actual values of cards, like ace of hearts, 1 or 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, ace of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, and so on, watch the next video for that. Otherwise, you can try your hand at it. I'll give you a hint. Nested for loop. See you in the next video.